Hi guys, today I will explain how we change network in Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, you have to tap on the option Discover, which is on the right button. And on the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it, and here you have to write PancakeSwap.finance. Now we are on the official page of PancakeSwap.finance. The first thing you have to do is you have to connect your wallet by tapping on the option Connect. And here select your Trust Wallet and tap on the option Connect. Now my wallet has been connected to PancakeSwap. Just next to wallet, you can see the network. Click on it, and here you can change your network. My selected network is BNB Change. From here, I can select Ethereum. Now you can see my network has been changed. And if I click on it, and here I can change another one. Like I can change it to Polygon. You can see my network has been changed to Polygon. From here, select that network which you want to change. It was the way by which you can do it easily.